Painting summer landscapes on mini canvases is a popular yet challenging art form, requiring artists to carefully balance color, composition, and detail in a very small space. This unique challenge is what draws many artists to mini canvas painting, as it demands a level of precision and creativity that can be incredibly rewarding when done well. The confines of a mini canvas force artists to think critically about every brushstroke, making each piece a testament to their skill and patience. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, the allure of capturing a serene summer landscape on a tiny canvas is undeniable, and with the right techniques, anyone can achieve stunning results. Painting a summer landscape on a mini canvas can be deceptively difficult, and many artists fall into common traps that can ruin an otherwise beautiful piece. One of the main mistakes artists make is in their color choices, often opting for colors that are too bright or overpowering for the small canvas. This can result in a painting that feels overwhelming or chaotic, rather than serene and inviting. Another common mistake is poor composition, with artists failing to balance elements like trees, water, and sky in a way that creates a sense of harmony. The scale of the canvas also poses a challenge, as artists must learn to suggest detail rather than paint it, which can be a difficult skill to master. Additionally, the small size of the canvas makes it difficult to achieve intricate details, which can lead to a loss of depth and dimension in the painting. The mistakes artists make when painting summer landscapes on mini canvases are numerous, and avoiding them requires a combination of skill, practice, and patience. Artists often struggle to capture the subtleties of light and shadow on a small canvas, which can flatten the painting and make it feel two-dimensional. They may also have trouble suggesting texture and detail, which can make the painting feel vague or undefined. Furthermore, the small size of the canvas can make it difficult to create a sense of depth or distance, which is crucial for capturing the expansive feel of a summer landscape. By being aware of these potential pitfalls, artists can take steps to avoid them and create paintings that are rich, detailed, and captivating. As artists work to capture the beauty of a summer landscape on a mini canvas, they must be mindful of the unique challenges posed by the small scale. The key to success lies in simplifying the composition, using bold brushstrokes, and suggesting detail rather than painting it. By doing so, artists can create paintings that are not only beautiful but also nuanced and layered, inviting the viewer to step into the serene world of the summer landscape. The process of learning to paint on a mini canvas is one of trial and error, with artists often discovering new techniques and strategies through experimentation and practice. With time and patience, anyone can master the art of painting summer landscapes on mini canvases, and the results can be truly breathtaking. Diving deeper into the mistakes artists make when painting summer landscapes on mini canvases, it becomes clear that many of these errors can be avoided with practice and attention to detail. For example, artists can learn to create a sense of depth by using layering techniques, where the background is painted first and then layered over with successive elements like trees or hills. This approach helps to create a sense of distance and dimension, drawing the viewer's eye into the painting. Artists can also use color to suggest texture and detail, opting for warm colors to create a sense of roughness or cool colors to create a sense of smoothness. By mastering these techniques, artists can create paintings that are rich and detailed, even on a small canvas. One of the most significant mistakes artists make when painting summer landscapes on mini canvases is failing to balance warm and cool colors. Warm colors like orange and yellow can create a sense of energy and warmth, while cool colors like blue and green can create a sense of calmness and serenity. When these colors are not balanced, the painting can feel disjointed or overwhelming, which can be particularly problematic on a small canvas where every brushstroke counts. To avoid this mistake, artists can use a color wheel to plan their palette, ensuring that warm and cool colors are balanced in a way that creates harmony. By doing so, artists can create paintings that are not only beautiful but also emotionally resonant, drawing the viewer into the serene world of the summer landscape. The consequences of making mistakes when painting summer landscapes on mini canvases can be significant, resulting in paintings that are dull, lifeless, or uninviting. However, by being aware of these potential pitfalls and taking steps to avoid them, artists can create paintings that are truly stunning. For example, artists can use the technique of glazing to create a sense of depth and dimension, applying multiple layers of transparent paint to achieve a rich, luminous color. This approach can be particularly effective on a small canvas, where the subtle layering of color can create a sense of nuance and complexity. By mastering techniques like glazing, artists can take their mini canvas paintings to the next level, creating works of art that are not only beautiful but also captivating and thought-provoking. When it comes to painting summer landscapes on mini canvases, one mistake can dramatically affect the outcome, failing to suggest atmosphere and distance. This can make the painting feel flat and two-dimensional, rather than inviting the viewer to step into the serene world of the summer landscape. To avoid this mistake, artists can use techniques like atmospheric perspective, where objects in the distance are painted with softer, cooler colors to create a sense of depth